Hello, brother. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Oh, I don't know how you're going to take this, brother. It's a bit hard. Can I just explain something? Do you know the helpers to the governing body, brother?
Yes, yes.
Well, do you know? Have you heard of Paul Gillies? He's a Scottish brother, and he did a talk. I just saw it on JW.org last night about
Okay.
safeguard thinking ability. And basically, what I've got is Neo email, which gives me read receipts. So I've sent him an email. He's opened it up 7 times. All the information about when Jerusalem was destroyed, which unfortunately it wasn't 607 with my information. And also the Bible code isn't. I'm a Bible code expert, by the way. And if you look at the 2000 article about is there a Bible code, Watchtower don't believe in it, or numerology, I'm afraid it's true, because I've worked out, infiltrated all the emails for the governing body. They've opened them, 24 helpers and all the JWs around the world, and they've all got my document now, and they've been getting read receipts. So you are in trouble. By the way, brother, guess who I am? Jehovah God Almighty. Luke 1:37. It's not impossible for God to do anything, is it? Do you like that? Do you like that trick, brother?
Hello?
Right, write down Jehovah, then write down J-H-A, H-A-C-C, underneath it. Move the C-C up into the O-V of Jehovah. Read it backwards and it reads my name, J-H-A-J. How'd you like that little trick? Revelation chapter 1, I write upon him my name and the name of my God, the name of New Jerusalem. Now, my name, James, is in Jerusalem, and my ex-wife, Samantha, is Sam, and in Samantha, you've got Satan. So who the hell do you think is it? My son is Jesus Christ away. If you don't believe me, go and have a look at my evidence, but you daren't have a look on my YouTube channel, will you? Jehovah Hashay, H-A-C-C-H-E. Watchtower are halfway there, and I'm taking them down. Did you know there was an earthquake in New York yesterday?
No.
Right. Listen, brother. I've prophesied that Watchtower are going to be destroyed on the 3rd of August 2025, and I've got mockery from all those JWs. Now they're not saying anything. I get no one on my YouTube channel. Me claiming to be Jehovah, brother. Thank you for listening. And my son Jesus Christ. Why isn't anybody saying anything against me for over 10 months? Why is that?
I can't answer.
Brother, the earthquake here was felt in New York Times, Brooklyn, where the Watchtower had their headquarters. I looked on the map and the earthquake just clipped world headquarters. They probably didn't feel it. But anyway, that's a warning sign from Jehovah that Watchtower are about to go down 1.5 hours before Armageddon came. It's like, you do realise that nobody's going to die on this earth. They're all going to worship a king. My son Jesus Christ. I'm Jehovah, obviously, but it's all about psychological weapons, brother. Because once I start it you're privileged to hear this, brother. Did you know? Because what I'm going to do is put it into the world's peoples. I'm going to use people as weapons, like it said in Doctor Who, the last of the Time Lords. That's who I am. And basically, I'm going to put it into the minds. We're going to get rid of money. Do you know all the problems that are caused by money, brother?
I can imagine.
Well, can you imagine? There's homelessness. I'm going to open up the Kingdom Halls for the homeless. How'd you like that?
Well, I'm going to end the call now. Thank you for calling.
But you know who I am, don't you, brother? Jehovah God Almighty. Nothing is impossible for God. You know in Isaiah 30 verse 20, and I'll cause you basically you'll see the grand instructor with your own eyes. Isaiah 30:20. Go and read it.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Oh dear, not good. You're being recorded, brother. You're going on YouTube. He's scared again. Another brother. Wetting his pants.